with your host, Stitches!
So, Nicolas Cage is in the movie. Yeah, Nick Cage. Should've been Nick Bad. But he doesn't like 3 out of 1.
I'm sorry, sir. You're not allowed on the premises.
You son of a bitch.
How did you get past security? Look!
I don't feel so good.
This is my show, Stitches.
Now! This is my show!
I will not be replaced by felt.
I'm 100% cotton! You dirty meatbag!
Shit.
I'm done and I go back as co-host! I'm gonna enjoy this!
Stop it. Blow it up! Blow it all up!
Oh, good, you're awake.
I don't feel so good.
You have a visitor.
Hey partner, how you feeling?
Stitches?
In the flesh!
No!